Main health problem: muscle loss after age 60. Main promised solution: one simple everyday food. Why this is dangerous? Sarcopenia causes weakness, falls, fractures, loss of independence, and early aging. Why this solution matters? Muscle loss is reversible in early stages, but only if seniors act now. A. If you are over 60 years old and feel weaker than before, if standing up from a chair feels harder, if you've started losing balance or strength, this is not just aging. Medical research shows that after age 60, adults lose up to 3 to 8% of muscle every year silently. By age 70, this muscle loss doubles the risk of falls, fractures, and hospital visits. But here's the shocking truth. Most seniors lose muscle not because of age, but because of one missing food. And today, I'll show you how adding it can start reversing muscle loss in as little as 14 to 30 days. B. Authority block. This information comes from clinical research used by geriatric doctors, muscle specialists, and nutrition scientists. Dr. Michael Evans, a geriatric nutrition researcher with 25 years of experience, reports, treated over 6,000 seniors, helped 70% improve strength and mobility, and found that diet correction works better than supplements alone. His conclusion is clear: muscle loss is not inevitable, it is nutritional. Setup: the science, why muscle loss happens. After 60, 3 dangerous changes occur. 1. Protein absorption drops. Your body stops using protein efficiently. 2. Inflammation increases. Inflammation blocks muscle repair. 3. Muscle signals shut down. Your muscles stop receiving the signal to grow. This condition is called sarcopenia, and once muscle disappears, independence disappears with it. D. Debunking segment: common mistakes. Mistake number 1: I eat enough food. Danger: calories does not equal muscle nutrition. Study: over 65% of seniors eat enough calories but lack muscle-building nutrients. Real case: Robert, 68, ate regularly but still lost strength because his food lacked quality protein. Mistake number 2: relying only on supplements. Danger: supplements alone don't activate muscle signals. Data: whole foods outperform supplements by 2x for muscle repair. Solution segment: core promise. The one simple food. Eggs. Whole eggs. Not protein powder, not expensive supplements, just whole eggs. Scientific benefits: eggs contain leucine, which activates muscle growth, vitamin D, which improves muscle strength, and complete protein, all amino acids. They directly switch muscle building back on. Study data: seniors eating eggs daily improved muscle strength by 18 to 25%. Walking speed improved within 30 days. Muscle repair markers increased in 2 weeks. Action plan: very important. Eat 2 eggs daily. Best time: breakfast or lunch. Cook gently, boiled or light pan cook. Avoid deep frying. Consistency matters more than quantity. If you are 60 plus, this channel is for you. Like this video, subscribe to Senior Health Signal, comment your age below. This channel exists to help seniors stay strong, independent, and confident. Muscle loss steals your balance, your confidence, your freedom. But strength means walking without fear, living without help, aging with dignity. You don't need extreme workouts. You need the right food at the right time. Subscribe now, because strong muscles mean a longer, better life.